It was an amazing journey for the GNP Sir YouTube channel, and we provided all the video lectures in VGO for all the three units. And now we are thrilled to announce the launch of a new YouTube channel, the GNP Sir Classes official YouTube channel. We are committed to provide you the video lectures for the students right from anatomy to gynecology, and we will provide you extra reading material in the GNP Sir Classes app as well. We are committed to provide the MCQs for the preparation of each and every subject for the ICAR JRF, also known as the ICR AIEEA PG 2025. And so we are committed to provide all the video lectures for each and every subject for the ICR aspirants. Kindly come and have a look at the GNP Sir Classes official YouTube channel, where we started it on the 8th of December 2024. And I am glad, I am thrilled to say that we now have 39 videos uploaded and more than 112 subscribers. We have more than 1.2k views, and it is your love and it is your affection that is tempting us to do more and more for all of you. Kindly come and visit our GNP Sir Classes official YouTube channel, where we provide the video lectures for each and every subject. 39 videos have been uploaded, and now I myself have started loading videos for pharmacology, and I am sure I will be able to help you out in understanding pharmacology and in excelling in all your examinations, may it be composite exam, may it be JRF, may it be veterinary officer. Because once you understand the concept, you are going to excel. So come and join, come and visit our GNP Sir Classes official YouTube channel. Come and join our GNP Sir Classes. Download the GNP Sir Classes app, where for whatever videos we will be uploading in the GNP Sir Classes official channel, the PDF of that video lecture will be available in the GNP Sir Classes app. Come and visit the GNP Sir Classes app, and kindly do let all the students, all your juniors from first year to final year, know that we have now started a YouTube channel for the benefit of students from first year to final year, first year, second year, third year, fourth year, and final year. So kindly do extend this word of uh, information to your juniors, that now they can watch the videos on anatomy, physiology, nutrition, AGB, parasitology, pathology, pharmacology, and surgery, medicine, and whatnot. We will be covering the whole syllabus, right from anatomy, right from first year, all the subjects for first year, second year, third year, fourth year. So, kindly do share this information with your juniors, with your colleagues, with your contemporaries, and kindly do subscribe to the GNP Sir Classes official YouTube channel. Kindly join, and kindly, I thought that we should provide the information in a separate channel, so that the students are benefited, and I hope that it will be very useful for all of you. Have a nice time. Visit the GNP Sir Classes official YouTube channel, download the GNP Sir Classes app, and be benefited. We will also post many of the MCQs in the GNP Sir Classes official channel. How to solve them? What are the important MCQs that can appear in your exams? So come and join the GNP Sir Classes official YouTube channel. Download the GNP Sir Classes app and be benefited. See you. Bye bye. See you in the next video. See you at GNP Sir Classes official YouTube channel. Bye bye. Have a nice time. Your suggestions, your comments would enable us to improve upon the channel continuously. So kindly give your likes, give your comments, share and subscribe to our channel, GNP Sir Classes official YouTube channel, and of course GNP Sir. Bye bye.